The Street Division of Public Works conducts an annual loose leaf roadside collection between December and mid-January. Residents are asked to rake leaves to the edge of the road during a specific time frame without blocking traffic or drainage ditches, and crews will pick them up. There will be 2 collections for each area again this year. Area 1, Southeast Section and Downtown Area, heading north to J. Clyde Morris Boulevard. First collection is in the week of November 18. Area 2, J. Clyde Morris Boulevard, heading north to Minchfield Road and the east side of the railroad tracks to Denby Boulevard. First collection will be the week of December 2nd. Area 3, Minchfield Road, heading north along railroad tracks to Denby Boulevard, north to the city limits. First collection will be the week of December 16. Leaves will be collected in these areas during the week of your scheduled collection. In order to progressively move from one area to the next, each street in the area will be collected only once during the week. It is important that leaves be placed at the roadside on Monday morning by 7 a.m. of the week the area is to be collected, so the leaves are not missed. If you miss your first scheduled collection, leaves will not be collected until the second and final collection starting January 6, 2020. Please help us by following the rules. Wait until the week prior to the start of scheduled collection to place leaves curbside. Leaves should be raked into a pile at the edge of curb and gutter or drainage ditches to avoid blocking storm drainage on city streets. Twigs and branches should not be mixed with the leaves. City refuse collectors will pick up the leaves placed in clear plastic bags on your regular bulk waste collection days. There is a limit of 30 33-gallon bags per collection. Burning leaves is not permitted unless authorized by City Council. Leaf collection on curb and gutter streets will be completed by the use of front-end loaders, removing bulk leaves, but some leaves will remain on the street. Due to the limited schedule for each collection cycle, all cycles will be completed before mechanical sweepers will be assigned to clean the street, curb, and gutter. Public Works Solid Waste Division will continue to collect leaves placed in clear plastic bags on your normal bulk collection days. Help prevent street flooding by not clogging storm drains and drainage ditches with loose leaves. Please do not place loose leaves out for collection until the week prior to your week of scheduled collection.